All right, good morning. Today is February 16th. It is Tuesday. This is vlog 31. Woo! Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Awesome. A little bit tired this morning. Not with it. I need coffee. Just gonna do a short one today. I have a lot of stuff to do today, so still gotta do my song. Not feeling it today, but we must move on. So I'll just recap tomorrow. Actually, let's look at the weather. I'll do my usual. What is the weather for today? '61. Actually, we're out of the 50s, and it looks like it's going to be sunny. Ooh. It's a nice day to get outside, maybe. I don't know. Might be warming up. I know Midwest has been going crazy. It's snowing in Texas all the way down to Houston, Galveston. I saw some pictures. That was pretty gnarly. Yeah, if Texas is frozen, that's pretty trippy. So, hey, no, there's no climate change. Not at all. Our world is crazy right now. But anyways, let's see. What did I do yesterday? I woke up at 9:30. It was kind of a busy day. I was just working all day. Did my vlog. You saw that. Got ready. Actually, I got ready. That's like actually my routine, kind of. I'll do my vlog. I'll get ready, and then I'll do my song. It splits it up, and it doesn't make it monotonous, so that's what I did. And yesterday's song was Just the Two of Us, by BW, Bill Withers. It's good singer. It's trippy doing these songs. You know, it's like, I think I said it before, it just kind of shares your life, gives you a little reminder. Most of the times the songs make you feel good. It's kind of crazy. Except the ones that don't. But those are still good too. The sad songs. Oh, the sad songs. I wrote video editing all day. I was trying to finish the first section. Actually, I did. I'm just on the last one. I just need to render today. But I got to go through more videos too, so I'm going to do another section today because I don't think I have anything today. I could just stay home and finish these edits. Sometimes I love editing, but that's the part I hate about it, is the beginning. It's hard. It just takes me a minute started, and then once I do, it's like fast. Kind of crazy. Oh, wow. I just saw a cool picture of my dad playing the ukulele. Here, I'll show you guys. This is crazy. Looking through my phone, I just have all these pictures, and I have to call my dad. I guess this is a reminder to call my dad. Super funny. That's the day I bought my dad that ukulele. He doesn't play, but yeah, it's awesome though. Remember that day? That's so awesome. I need to call him. Let's see. Rode my skateboard yesterday. Actually, I just went to the store. I have a bad habit. Jewels. Doing the jewels. It's better. I guess it's better than smoking, right? And I used to be a big cigarette smoker, but I don't do that. I do the jewels. It's been working out. Let's see. Still in awe from Kaylee. Duet the other day. Such an awesome moment. Wow. Let's see. Had Johnny's Burgers. yesterday for dinner. Let's talk burgers. What is your favorite burger if you're in Long Beach? Or actually anywhere. Actually, that'd be kind of cool. I like hamburgers. I'm not... Kaylee is a pescatarian. And actually, it's kind of cool that Kaylee is, because I like to eat meat, so it kind of balances me out. Because sometimes I do eat vegan meals, but I do love a good hamburger. And though Johnny's delivers, and they have some burgers, it's pretty awesome. I know In-N-Out is the California staple, but I think there are better burgers than In-N-Out. In-N-Out is good, but there's like some small places. I like the little hamburger joints and stuff. They always make freaking awesome burgers. But yeah, I think that's an ongoing search for the best burger. Actually, wow. We did have some good burgers in Budapest. Wow. If you guys want to get a good burger, they do some good burgers in Budapest. It was pretty amazing. And they had all these crazy burger places. So, I don't know. They're on the top of the list right there. That's pretty crazy. And then, actually, last night while I was shutting down, I saw the update, and it's been wanting to update. And it's funny, my computer has been wanting to update, and I always scared. I just don't like doing it when I'm doing projects, and I just said, you know what, screw it. I think there are some good updates on this one, so I did it. But I thought, like, you know, it's kind of scary because, you know, all the work that you're working on. But honestly, it doesn't really matter because I think I have them on external drive. So, well, I have it all on external drive, so I will not lose my work. Always back up your work. It rarely happens that hard drives mess up. I don't know, but it's always when you don't want it to. I have one hard drive sitting here, and it's going to cost thousands of dollars, hopefully, to maybe get the information off of it. But we'll see. I have to eventually go do that. That's kind of crazy. Other than that, I'm trying to think of what I learned yesterday. What did I learn yesterday? What did I learn yesterday, today? Did my vlog? What did I learn? Did video editing, did my vlog. Yeah, it's kind of one of those days. Just a regular day. Oh man, there's something I got. I had to learn something yesterday. Who did I talk to? Monday, what did I learn? Actually, I think I was just... What did I learned yesterday because I was working on my videos, and I learned that oh no, there's one part. Oh yeah, I was just learning some new stuff in my video editing program. It's like every time you do things in editing, or you do a bunch, there's always like a process. And I think the process was like, because I had to do 8 videos, and I did it kind of differently. I'm staging them, and I do them all, and then I'm gonna render it. And that's what I learned. It's a little bit faster to do it that way, and I could just keep it in the program. Yeah, and it was pretty fast. And also I learned that I do definitely need a new computer because my computer was lagging hard yesterday on the videos. It was crazy. I had too much stuff in there, and then it just started to lag down, and then it just stopped. And then I had to reset. So yeah, I'm putting a big old strain on my computer right now. It's pretty crazy. Can't wait to get a new computer. Coming soon. But other than that, yeah, that's my vlog 31. Can't think of what am I doing today. Actually, it's just going to be editing all. It stopped recording. But yeah, I think I have like about 8 more videos. Yeah, something like that. So I think I can get. Well, I have to go through the rendering today, and then hopefully prep them tonight, and then I'll have them all done by then. And then this week, I think I have more videos that Dave is gonna do, or we're gonna film. And I might have to go for a skate on the beach today. I might do a roll on the beach. I say that last time, but it looks like a nice day. I just need to get out. Get some aggression out. You know what I mean? Need to get some aggression out. But yeah, this is February 16th, 2021. It is vlog 31. And I think I'm done for today. How long have I gone? 11 minutes. Yes. I like a nice short vlog, but we have more coming. And I'm about to get ready and do my song. So, like every day, keep on strumming ukulele. I will see you soon.